Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G67 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint of this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint. Before, we need to set a regular screen lock like the pattern pin or password, so let me quickly set the pattern. Tap on Next, redraw it and confirm. Of course, if you've got one already set, you don't need to do it. Just tap on Done. Here we can decide what kind of notification content we want to show on the lock screen. So let me just mark it and choose Fingerprint. Tap on Setup, and here we've got the sensor, so it is under the screen. Let's simply put the finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Alright, it's quite easy, fortunately. Okay. Alright, we've got it. So just tap on Done. And we do not have a lot of things to do here. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Tap on Add Fingerprints so we can add another one. We can change the animation styles, so it's up to you if you want to use them. Alright, so now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, and it means that we just successfully did it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.